Okay, everything is fine now, guys. Everything is fine. Come on, give the response.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, right? Shall I proceed?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay,
Yes, Ravi,
fine.
absolutely.
Now see this. Now in this time our what? Our GST and what? GST and what? Discount also applied, right? End user is not giving GST and what? Discount, guys. Okay. Our application will calculate those things, right? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Refresh. Ravi.
Okay. So two data is came, right? Two data came and what? See, on the 40,000, right? 40,000 what?
Yes,
Discount is what? 4,800 and what?
800.
GST is what? 7,200, right? Okay.
Yes, Ravi, correct.
Okay, fine now, guys. So if you want to what select this data, right? Select this data now. Just what we will do it now, guys. All URI we took now and what get methodology. Now see we are getting the JSON data. What in the database this data is there, but what response we are getting now? JSON, right? Come on.
JSON format.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay,
Yes.
no issue. Get type. Now we can run this get on the browser also. Now I'm running this one on the browser, right? On the browser. Now what I'm doing now here, I'm making the request. Now all see this. Okay. What product ID 1, product code Samsung, product cost this much, and this one is the what first data, and what this one is the second data. In the JSON format we are getting response. Now guys, come on.
Yes, Ravi, yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Clear?
Clear.
Clear, Ravi.
Yes.
So many
Yes,
still just this is the demo, guys. Okay, so many concepts, so many things is there. We are going to implement step to step. Don't worry, right? Step to step. Okay, after end of this application you guys will get good confidence. Okay, in a Spring Boot, right? In a Spring Boot. So like what JSON data we are getting, right? Whatever data we stored, we are getting those data in the JSON format. Nah, come on.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so another things also. Now come in the Postman, guys. Okay, come in the Postman. So in the controller, whenever our end user will select the data, what status code will get our end user now? What status code based on okay? What status code will get our end user? 200, right?
200.
200.
Okay, so now we are selecting, right? So here what message, what code we are getting? Status code. What is that?
200 only.
200, right? Now fine. Okay, at the time of saving, right, we want to save the data, right? Whenever we are saving, yes, AV. So here our status code will be 201, right? 201.
201.
Now fine, now I'm posting the data, right? So already data is there. Nokia, right? Nokia. Here take what? EMI. Let's take, and here this one, let's take mi pvt, right? Now send the data. Now see this, what status code we are getting, guys. By seeing this status code we can say that we are performing
Yes.
post operation, right? We are by seeing
Yes,
this
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi. Clear operation.
right? By seeing this status code we can understand we are performing right, what post operation, creating, we are creating some resource in the server. Na, come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Okay, good. So fine now, guys. So anyone having any doubt till now? Okay, clarify your doubt now, guys. Okay, here itself only.
No,
Now I'm giving the chance to you people. Anyone?
No doubts, Ravi.
no, Ravi.
Okay, guys. So now 2 hour is completed. Guys, 2 hour is completed. Let's take a small break and then we will continue the session. Okay.
Ravi,
Yes.
I have one question.
Yes.
Without implementation of service IMPL,
Mhm.
can we proceed this means project?
We are writing the like what in implementation class we are following what Pojo programming, right? Means what layer programming. So in interface we can write the like logics.
Yeah.
Julie, we can write it or not?
Yeah, it's
Yes,
possible in interface after
If common
Java 8
logic are there,
on.
we can write.
We are implementing service also. Inside service
If
layer also, we are
common
implementing the
logic,
static.
we can write in the interfaces.
I'm not talking about Java 8. Before Java 8 we can.
No.
No, it's not possible. Not
And-
possible.
And
No, Ravi.
even Java 8 also, even in the Java 8 also, in the interface, if we need to just we can write what static variable as well as static method. Okay, except that
Yeah,
non-static
yes.
non-static method we
No,
can
no.
write. Then
No,
clear,
it's not possible.
not possible.
Okay,
Na?
Ravi, you can write.
Then why you are talking about that we can write the business logic? Okay, for interface is not for the business to writing the business logic. Okay, without a class you can't write. Okay, you can't write logics. Clear? So okay, so without implementation class we can't write business logic. If we are taking directly class, then what we are doing, we can do it, but what we are not following modularity, and even our application will become what tight couple in future. Based on this, what is that, based on this operation itself only, if end user need what another logic, then what you have need to do, whatever dependent classes is there also modification need, and what its implementation classes, in implementation classes also modification need, right?
Okay.
You can
Yes,
write,
yes.
you can write, but that is not good way. Okay, that is not a good way to writing the code. Okay, because of that I am following what interface programming.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Ravi.
So now clear, guys? Anyone having any doubt?
Ravi,
No, Ravi, it's clear.
Okay,
Now
so
clear, Ravi, clear.
okay, so let's